recently took a short trip to Warsaw, Poland to celebrate New Year's with friends. As I was only visiting for 36 hours, I opted to take the Away Travel 26 litre F.A.R backpack as my one bag personal item. Although I did keep this in the overhead locker, measuring in at 39 centimeters tall, 32 centimeters wide and 19.5 centimeters deep, it perfectly fits underneath the seat in front of most European airlines and counts as a personal item. I've only had this bag for a short time and have only used it on 2 trips, but I have to say I have been really impressed with it so far. Like my Away Travel bigger carry-on, this bag is another black hole. It's really impressive just how much capacity there is. I've been using it as my tech and camera bag, but as I wasn't taking much tech with me on this trip, I used it as my main bag. The F.A.R backpack has a capacity of 26 litres, which is the perfect size for a short trip like mine. It fits all of the essentials, clothes, toiletries and tech, without being too bulky or a pain in the arse to carry. And despite being fairly compact, the interior is well organised with various pockets and compartments to keep everything in place. When I fully pack this bag out, I can usually fit all of my tech and camera gear. And if you'd like to see a full video reviewing what's in my camera bag as a digital nomad, please let me know in the comments below. For this trip, I packed an Away large packing cube containing a pair of jeans, underwear, a long sleeve mock neck cashmere sweater, a long sleeve polo jumper, a leather biker jacket for the night out, my wash bag, my glasses, and my essential tech, which is my M2 MacBook Air, M2 iPad Pro, my charge kit, and my DJI OM5. It really is incredible just how much stuff you can cram into this bag. This 26 litre backpack is part of Away Travel's F.A.R Range, which is an acronym for All Routes. The F.A.R Range uses lightweight, recycled, water and abrasion-resistant materials for wherever the road takes you. One thing I really appreciate about this backpack is its durability. The exterior is made of a water-resistant recycled polyester that has held up really well against the rain coming in and out of London for both of the recent trips. And the zippers and the straps are all high quality and feel really sturdy. I felt confident that my belongings were safe and secure when using this backpack. A key feature that I really liked are the 2 large water bottle pockets. They are very stretchy, which makes them handy for throwing in my umbrella, bottles of water that I buy on the go, and my main Peak Design travel tripod. Overall, I have been really happy with the Away Travel F.A.R backpack. It's stylish, well made and perfectly suited for short trips. I would definitely recommend it to anyone in need of a compact, reliable carry-on or personal item bag. While in Warsaw, I spent most of the time exploring the central district with my friends. There's so much to see and do in this area, from the stunning old town to the vibrant nightlife. We ate traditional Polish food, went to a luxury chocolate cafe, and started New Year's Eve at a house party hosted by our friend who lives in the city. We saw Midnight Inn playing beer pong at a specialist beer pong bar and ended the night in a club themed like a Polish wedding. It was such a fun night. I hope you found this quick review useful. If you liked it, please hit that like button so YouTube knows it's good and will recommend it to others. If you loved it, please subscribe, that would be really appreciated. I have a lot of videos planned for this year on travel, minimalism, digital nomad life, tech and healthy living on the go. And be sure to leave a comment with your own thoughts on the F.A.R backpack if you've tried it out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.